In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mailing list in Zoho campaigns. Understanding how to manage and create mailing lists is a crucial aspect of email marketing and can significantly enhance your communication strategy. Let's dive into the process of setting up your very own mailing list. First, you want to ensure you have access to the Contacts module within Zoho campaigns. This module is your go-to place for anything related to managing your contacts and organizing them efficiently. Once you're in, navigate to the Contacts section. Here, you'll find the List Management sub-tab, which is the hub for all your mailing list needs. This is where you'll manage existing lists and create new ones, providing a solid foundation for your campaigns. Once you're on the List Management page, you'll notice a button labeled Create Mailing List, or simply Create List. This is typically positioned at the top right side of your screen. Clicking this button will begin the process of setting up your new mailing list, so go ahead and give it a click. It's a straightforward step that launches you into the setup phase. Now, you've arrived at the Add New List screen. This is where you'll define the essential details and subscription settings for your list. Start by entering a name for your new mailing list. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose or segment of the list. A well-chosen name helps keep your lists organized and makes it easier for you and others to understand its purpose at a glance. Following this, you'll need to decide on your subscription settings. Here, you have a crucial decision to make: whether or not to allow subscriptions via sign-up forms. If you choose to allow sign-up form subscriptions, your list will be public. This means you can share a link to the sign-up form, enabling new subscribers to join your list effortlessly. It's an excellent option if you're looking to grow your audience and attract new subscribers. On the other hand, if you decide against enabling sign-up form subscriptions, your list will remain private. In this scenario, contacts must be manually added to the list. This option is useful if your list includes sensitive information or if you want to maintain strict control over who joins. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your mailing list in Zoho campaigns. Remember, managing your mailing lists effectively can greatly improve your outreach efforts, enhancing engagement with your audience. Keep experimenting with different list setups to see what works best for your particular needs. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide makes your email marketing journey smoother and more efficient. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.